Hey guys, so before this video starts, I finished the project and it's underneath these couple pieces of paper, but this took a ton of time and it took a lot of effort, and I think it looks really, really cool. So if we could get 50, 60 likes, that would be great. That would be absolutely fantastic and awesome. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I really do. I put a bunch of time into it and I think it looks really cool. So let's just get right into that.
Hey guys, so this is the Flood Elite
cultist MOC slash diorama, whatever you want to call it. Basically what they did is they captured a few Marines, and now they're going to feed them to their Proto gravemind that they are creating. It was an interesting idea. I came up with the idea kind of last night, and I thought, well, you know, I haven't done a MOC in a while, and this is kind of outside of the Halo universe, but also inside of the Halo universe, so I was like, whatever, I'll give it a shot. And I think it turned out really nice, and I hope you guys think so as well. I will be making a few custom figures in the next couple days that I've seen a lot of people wanting, so I'm going to be doing that. But to kind of take a little break from the custom figures, I thought I would make this, and I think it turned out really cool. Here's just another look at it. You have these two Marines kind of like, what the heck is going on? Trying to see if they could escape. One guarding them, the other two elites are chanting, as this one has a giant pole at the back of that Marine's neck. And then the Proto gravemind is just kind of sitting there chained up, which he could probably escape whenever he wanted, but the elites keep bringing him food, so why would he leave? He's going to use these elites until he's strong enough to kind of be on his own, is kind of the idea. I want to see what kind of a story you guys can make for this. If you have an interesting idea of how these elites have gotten to this occult, if there's more of them, if it's just this four, put down in the description down below, and let's have a little fun with this between the community of what kind of thing is going on here. Is this like a ginormous faction that's uprising and going to be taken over by the flood, or is it just these four elites? So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially subscribe. 65% of my viewers are actually not subscribed, which is a huge shocker to me, but it's just how it is, and that's completely fine as well. But a subscriber definitely is always nice, and I think I make pretty decent videos, so up to you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.